Today I'll show you how to enter or how to get into repair mode on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now this mode is useful if you want to take your phone for repair and you want the person repairing your phone not to be able to access all your data without having to necessarily delete that data. So to enter repair mode, simply tap on settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down and select privacy. And then here you want to select repair mode, so tap on repair mode. And then if it's your first time using this mode, you'll be asked to read the agreement or user data disclaimer agreement, so check that, read through, and then enable repair mode. Now you'll be asked to confirm whether you want to enter repair mode because this is going to restart the phone, so tap on enable, and then you'll have to verify that it's you using a pattern or even a fingerprint if you've set one up. And it's going to start enabling repair mode, so be patient as you wait for that to happen. It's going to restart your phone. Now your phone is going to restart, hopefully in repair mode like this. So it's going to switch to repair mode, so wait for that to happen. And now as you can see, it's notified you that you're currently in repair mode, and as you can see even down here we are in repair mode. So now all your data is not accessible from here. All your files and anything that you may have saved on here on your notes app or any other app is not available, so the person can just go through fixing your phone without necessarily being able to access your data. Now if you want to exit repair mode, simply swipe down from the top left and you should see currently in repair mode, so tap on this drop down arrow, or simply just tap on this option and it's going to bring you here and ask you to exit repair mode, so tap on exit repair mode. It's going to ask you to confirm because this is going to restart once again, and all the data generated in repair mode is going to be deleted and the phone will restart, so tap on exit. And your phone once again is going to shut down and it's going to boot back up in normal mode. That's basically how to enter and how to exit repair mode on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. But until the next one, take care and God bless.